Hi, my name's Joanne Spence. I'm a former social worker and yoga teacher of 20 years, and I've just written a book that's going to be published by Petsy and available March 9th, and it's called Trauma-Informed Yoga, a Toolbox for Therapists, 47 Simple Practices to Calm, Balance and Restore the Nervous System. I know there's a lot there, isn't there? So I wrote this to bridge the gap between knowing and doing. And if we understand that trauma is stored in the body and that you can't talk your way out of it, it makes sense to be able to include simple mind-body practices in our therapy sessions. So that's what the book is about. It will teach you the how and the why, and it's based in polyvagal theory, so it includes what I've been told is one of the clearest explanations of polyvagal theory that you'll come across, and you can do this without any prior yoga experience. The scripts are that simple. It teaches you the how and why very clearly, and it's a way also to care for yourself. And I've been honored with endorsements from people in the scientific community, the therapeutic community, the yoga community, people like Steve Porges, Deb Dana, Catherine Cook-Catone, Amy Wheeler, Amy Weintraub. So I commend you for watching this video and listening. Thank you so much, and I hope you'll read the book and try these practices for yourself. Thank you so much.